Welcome to video 13 of our video training series on the complaint management system based on the Synergy eCase platform. In our last video, we discussed the importance of analyzing business processes. Today, we will provide an overview of the workflow builder and its usage. This is essential for designing and managing processes that will support effective handling of complaints from submission to resolution. In Synergy eCase-based systems, the workflow diagram builder enables users to create structured business processes. It is accessible from Settings, Business Process, Processes. The Processes section displays all business processes available in the system, organized into a table. Let's create a workflow diagram for the complaint main entity. To start, we will click the Create Process button. This will open the Create Process pop-up, where we will select the complaint entity and proceed to the Workflow Diagram Builder. The Workflow Diagram Builder allows you to do the following: define the start of the workflow process, define states and indicate if they are final, define transitions between states. For our complaint entity, we have 5 states: Inbox, Under Review, Ready for Supervisor Review, Response Approved, and Archived. We will start with the Inbox state. To add this state, we will click the Add State to open the sidebar, specify the state name, and additionally add a description. As the state is not final, we will leave the Final State box unchecked. After we click the Add button, the newly created state will appear in the workspace and it will have an automatically generated transition from the start state. Next, we will create the Under Review state. We will specify the state name and click Add. The Add Transition sidebar will open to specify the transition name. Submit for our example, as well as select the triggering action and target state. Optionally, we can attach a workflow form or confirmation window if needed. These forms will appear during the transition and must be filled out to complete the process. We can also add a description to provide additional information about the transition. But we will keep it simple and proceed without attaching any forms to our transition. Once we have configured all settings, we will click Add to complete the transition. Then, we will repeat these steps to add the remaining states and transitions. So now we have the workflow diagram for our complaint main entity. In a workflow, it is important to ensure clarity and avoid confusion by maintaining unique state and transition names. Unique state names. Avoid having 2 states with the same name within a single workflow to clearly represent each stage in the process. Unique transition names. Provide unique names for transitions starting from the same state to prevent ambiguity and ensure clear differentiation between actions. By adhering to these guidelines, workflow designers can promote effective communication, understanding, and proper management of states and transitions, contributing to the smooth execution of the business process. Now that we have configured the business process for a complaint, we will go and see how a complaint record can be processed. For this, we will access the Complaints page in the navigation pane and select the record that we want to move from Inbox to the next workflow state. When the complaint form opens in View mode, we will click the Actions button and select the Submit action. Since we have not attached any forms to our transition, the complaint will immediately change its status from Inbox to Under Review. In this video, we explored the Workflow Diagram Builder in the Complaint Management System on Synergy eCase. By creating a workflow diagram for complaints, we defined states and transitions to streamline complaint management processes from submission to resolution. In our next video, we will continue adding automatic actions to our workflows, like sending notifications when the complaint resolution is approved.